where to find resources and data for Maple series vehicles. Right here in this database. Complete original factory documents for both imported and domestic models. Well done, classified and rich in content. Just one click to jump directly. Clear and accurate images, plus full repair solutions. We've got fixes for all kinds of faults, common or rare. Can't you find what you need? Use our AI Smart Search. It locates materials and provides links instantly. Never worry about missing repair resources again.